Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Laksh Kumar. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy that you're here today.
Today's topic is English at the airport.
That's right. Many people feel nervous when they travel by plane because they don't know what to say in English.
Don't worry. Today, we'll learn simple English that you can really use at the airport.
Everything is easy, slow, and perfect for beginners.
By the end of this podcast, you'll know useful airport vocabulary, common English sentences, and you'll feel more confident when traveling.
So, are you ready?
Let's get started.
Alex, have you ever been to an airport?
Yes, I have. The first time, I was very excited, but also a little nervous.
I think everyone feels that way on their first trip.
That's true. Airports are big, busy, and sometimes a little confusing.
But if you know some basic English, everything becomes much easier.
Exactly. So, let's imagine we are going on a trip today.
Great! Where are we going?
Let's fly to London.
Wow! That sounds exciting.
First, we arrive at the airport.
We should arrive early, right?
Yes. It's a good idea to arrive at least 2 or 3 hours before an international flight.
That gives us enough time for check-in and security.
Exactly.
Let's learn some important words.
Good idea.
The first word is airport.
An airport is a place where airplanes arrive and leave. The second word is flight.
A flight is your journey on an airplane.
For example, my flight leaves at 8 p.m.
Very nice.
Next is passport.
A passport is an official document that lets you travel to another country.
Never forget your passport.
Yes. Without it, you may not be able to travel. What do we do first when we enter the airport?
We go to the check-in counter.
What is a check-in counter?
It's the place where you show your passport, check your luggage, and receive your boarding pass.
Let's practice a conversation as airport staff. Good morning. May I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Certainly. May I see your passport?
Sure. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Could I also have your ticket, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
See? That wasn't difficult.
Not at all.
Let's learn some useful sentences. Repeat after me. I'd like to check in, please.
Excellent.
Here is my passport.
Very good.
Here is my ticket.
Wonderful.
Remember, speaking slowly is okay.
Yes. You don't need to speak fast. Speak clearly and confidently. Alex, what's the difference between luggage and baggage?
Good question. They mean almost the same thing. Both words mean the bags that you take with you when you travel.
Oh, that's easy to remember.
Exactly.
What kinds of bags do people usually carry?
Many people carry a suitcase, a backpack, or a small carry-on bag.
Let's learn another useful question.
The airport staff may ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
You can answer, "Yes, I have one suitcase." Or, "No, I only have a carry-on bag."
Perfect.
You're already speaking English at the airport. Great, we have finished checking in. What happens next?
After checking in, the airport staff gives us a boarding pass.
What is a boarding pass?
A boarding pass is a very important document. It tells you your flight number, gate number, seat number, and boarding time.
Wow, that's a lot of information.
Yes, but don't worry. It's easy to understand.
Let's learn some new vocabulary.
Good idea.
Gate is the place where you wait before getting on the airplane.
Seat is the place where you sit on the airplane.
Boarding time is the time when passengers can enter the airplane.
Excellent.
Let's imagine we are reading our boarding pass.
Sure.
Flight number BA 218.
Gate 12.
Seat 18A.
Boarding time, 7:30 p.m.
That's easy.
Yes. Always check your boarding pass carefully.
What if I can't find my gate?
That's okay. You can ask an airport worker.
Let's practice. As airport staff. Excuse me, can I help you?
As a passenger, yes, please. Where's gate 12?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
See? That's very simple. Repeat after me. Where's gate 12?
Very good.
Can you help me?
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. What's next?
Next, we go through the security check.
Some people feel nervous there.
Yes, but don't worry, just follow the instructions.
What might the security officer say?
They may say, please put your bag on the scanner.
Then they might say, please take off your jacket.
Or, please empty your pockets.
That's normal at many airports.
As a security officer, good afternoon. Please put your backpack on the scanner.
Sure.
Please remove your phone and keys.
No problem.
Thank you. You may go now.
Thank you. What is a scanner?
A scanner is a machine that checks your bags for safety.
What are pockets?
Pockets are the small parts of your clothes where you keep your phone, wallet, or keys.
That's easy.
Repeat after me. My passport is in my bag.
Excellent.
Where's my gate?
Very good.
Can you help me?
Great job.
Thank you.
Perfect. After security, we go to our gate and wait.
That's right. Sometimes we buy a cup of coffee, read a book, or simply relax.
I usually look out the window and watch the airplanes.
Me too. It's always exciting to see planes taking off and landing.
Traveling is fun, especially when you can speak English with confidence.
Exactly.
Look, Alex, the boarding announcement has started.
That's great. It's time to get on the airplane.
What does boarding mean?
Boarding means entering the airplane before the flight.
That's easy.
Before you board, an airport staff member will check your boarding pass.
As airport staff, good evening. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. You may board the plane now.
Thank you very much.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much.
Let's learn 3 useful words.
The first word is board. It means to get on an airplane.
The second word is passenger. A passenger is a person who is traveling.
The third word is flight attendant. A flight attendant helps passengers during the flight.
They are always friendly and helpful. What do we do after getting on the plane?
We look for our seat number.
What if I can't find my seat?
You can ask the flight attendant, "Excuse me, can you help me find seat 18A?"
As flight attendant, of course. Please go straight. Your seat is on the left, next to the window.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Repeat after me. Where's seat 18A?
Excellent.
Can you help me?
Very good.
Thank you for your help.
Wonderful. Where should I put my backpack?
You can put it in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
What is an overhead bin?
It's the storage space above your seat.
Now I know. Everyone is sitting down.
Yes. Now it's time to fasten our seatbelts.
What does fasten your seatbelt mean?
It means to put on your seatbelt and lock it safely.
Safety is very important.
Absolutely.
As flight attendant, good evening, everyone. Welcome aboard. Please fasten your seatbelts. Turn off your mobile phones or switch them to airplane mode. Thank you.
Everything sounds simple when you know these words.
I'm getting a little hungry.
Me too. Sometimes the flight attendant offers food and drinks.
As flight attendant, would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a bottle of water.
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Repeat after me. I'd like some water, please.
Excellent.
Can I have some coffee, please?
Great job.
Thank you.
Perfect. Sometimes you can make a new friend on the plane.
That's true. Let's practice a simple conversation.
Hello. Is this seat free?
No, I'm sorry. Someone is sitting here.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, where are you traveling today?
I'm going to Canada. What about you?
I'm traveling to London for a holiday.
That sounds exciting. I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thank you. You too.
Making simple conversations is a great way to practice English.
That's true. Simple English is enough.
Excited, Alex. I think we're almost there.
Yes, the plane is getting ready to land.
What does land mean?
Land means the airplane comes down safely and reaches the airport.
That's easy.
After the plane lands, everyone stays seated until the airplane stops completely.
That's an important safety rule.
Exactly.
The airplane has stopped.
Great. Now we can leave the plane.
Let's take our bags and walk to the airport terminal.
Remember, don't forget anything on your seat.
Yes. Always check your seat before you leave. What happens next?
Next, we go to immigration.
What is immigration?
Immigration is the place where an officer checks your passport and asks a few simple questions before you enter the country.
Let's practice as immigration officer. Good evening. May I see your passport, please?
Certainly. Here is my passport.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a holiday.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Now it's time to collect our luggage.
That's right. We go to the baggage claim area.
What is baggage claim?
It's the place where you collect your suitcase after your flight.
Sometimes people wait a long time for their bags.
Yes, that's true. Repeat after me. Where's the baggage?
Excellent.
I can't find my suitcase.
Very good.
Can you help me, please?
Wonderful. After collecting our luggage, where do we go?
We go through customs.
What is customs?
Customs is the place where officers check the items you are bringing into the country.
Usually, it is quick and easy if everything is okay.
Exactly.
What if I can't find the exit?
You can ask someone politely. Excuse me, where is the exit?
Go straight and turn right. You'll see it on your left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Great job. Now, let's review today's vocabulary. Repeat after me. Airport, flight, passport, ticket, boarding pass, gate, seat, check-in counter, luggage, carry-on bag, security check, scanner, flight attendant, passenger, seat belt, immigration, baggage claim, customs, exit.
Fantastic. Now repeat after us. I'd like to check in, please.
Here is my passport.
Where's gate 12?
Can you help me?
I'd like a bottle of water, please.
Where is the baggage claim?
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Traveling is a wonderful way to learn English.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn.
Speak slowly, smile, and be polite. People will understand you. Remember,
Practice these sentences again and again. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
fluency doesn't happen in one day. It happens one conversation at a time.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up.
We hope you enjoyed today's podcast and learned some useful English for the airport.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to Speak English with Laksh Kumar, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever traveled by plane? Or, which country would you like to visit?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.